afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Good to know that you are fine.
Yes.
Have you eaten your snack?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is your snack for this afternoon, Sydney?
Burger King.
What's that?
Burger King.
Burger. Oh, I like Burger King, but it's too far away from home, so I cannot buy Burger King. Like it's like 1.5 hour commute before eating Burger King. It's too far away.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Sydney. Do you still remember our lesson yesterday?
Yes.
It's all about what?
You? You?
Yes, you. Do you still remember any words? Can you give me 2 words? Start
Yes.
with with phonics 2 because we're going to do the phonics 3 now.
Yes.
Do you still remember what word? Or just 2 words?
I don't know.
You forgot? How about the small bear? What is the small bear?
Cup.
Cub. How about the small dog?
Cup.
Oh, see, you remember. Very good. Now, Sydney, let's start our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, please listen to teacher and eyes on teacher. We're gonna do the phonics 3. Let's go, Sydney.
Okay.
Sydney, Sydney. Lesson 3, lesson 3. Phonics 3.
Section.
Yes, phonics 3, 3, 3, 3. Ooh, fascinating. Now, today, Sydney, we are going to talk about Oxford Phonics World 3. Yes, we're done with phonics 1 and 2. Now we're gonna start with phonics 3.
Yes.
Yes, at last we're finished.
Fine.
And you did good in phonics 1 and 2. Or else, matatagalan tayo dito. Matatagalan tayo doon sa phonics 2 if you do not do your best. If you do not do your best. And of course, you focused, right?
Yes.
Yes. So again, phonics 3, we're gonna focus again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it will be easy like phonics 2 and phonics 1 and 2. Now, these are
What?
long vowels.
House.
Long vowels na tayo. This is
Yes.
exciting and a bit challenging, but I know you can do it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, but before we start, let's do the warm up. What can you see in the picture?
The bike.
The
The bike.
The bike or circle the bike. Oh, I'm gonna circle
Okay.
the bike. How about another one?
A bee.
A, a bee. Okay, I'll circle the bee. What color is the bee?
Yellow and and black.
Very good. Yellow and black. I can see a plane.
And
Can you see it?
yes.
Excuse me. And what else can you see aside from plane and bee?
Water.
But, hmm?
Water.
Oh, water. Where?
Behind that.
Yeah.
There. Behind there. Beside the water.
Can you
Beside.
circle? Can you circle?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh,
See?
oh yes, it's like a wave, right?
Yes.
Yes, I can see a kite. What else can you see?
Kite.
Ano sa'yo? Ano daw makita mo?
The girl.
A girl. Okay. Now
The-
let's start with phonics. Lam pa pam pa pam pa pam 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 pa pam 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 pam. Oy. Hey. We're gonna do this one.
Long nga.
Oh,
Yeah.
focus, focus, focus. Okay, Sid?
Okay.
Okay, this is our first lesson with Phonics 3. Please listen. Sid, this word, this letter is A and E. You pronounce it as A,
Eh. Eh.
Listen first.
A, 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 A.
A. A.
Very good. Oh, how do you pronounce the A and E? Sid?
A.
A. Do remember this one, Sydney. A,
A.
E, A,
A.
A.
That's A.
Yes.
When
Oh, we're gonna read this one. But please listen first, okay?
Stop.
As you can see, listen first, Sid. Listen, listen, listen. Listen to the song here in my arms. Char. Look at the A and E here. Do you see A and E?
Yes.
Do you see A and E?
Yes.
And the blank, do you see there? The blank. Do you notice the blank here?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is the blank one. Okay?
A.
Okay. So the first one, the first step how to read the A sound is like this. Oh, listen first, and look at the board.
P.
Kid, not yet. Look at the board. Listen. The first one you are going to read, Sydney, is this letter. Okay? I'm gonna write number 1. The second one is this one.
Oh,
What's the sound of A and E?
What?
Oh, no. The sound of A and E.
A.
A. And the third one you're going to read is this one. The blank one. Let's read, huh? Let's read. Let's read. Read the first one.
First one first. You need, what's the sound of
T?
T?
Not
T.
yet. The T muna.
T ka muna daw.
Oh.
T. Very good. How about the A and E? How do you read A and E?
How do you read A and E?
Ah.
No. A and E.
A.
Very good.
Read T and A.
A.
T.
No. A.
A.
Oh, after that T and A, you're gonna read the letter P or the number 3. Oh, how do you read that? T, A, P.
A. P.
A.
A.
Tape.
Tape. Very good. Oh, ganyan yung pag-read. Itong nasa gitna, Sydney, yan lagi yung last letter or last sound.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Kung nakuha ni Sydney. How about this? How Are you going to read the first one? Oh, put
No, no.
number 1 kung anong letter yung i-read first. Very good.
No.
Mm.
Tapos yung
Oh, how about the number 2? What will you read? What letter?
A.
And
A and what letter?
Wow.
No, the second na i-read mo. A and
anong karugtong ng A? Remember, Sid, ito lagi magkasamang dalawa. The A and E. Ito A and E. Lagi silang magkasama. Do you understand?
A.
A. Oh, this one. Number 2 yan. This is
Oh.
number 2. A and E. It will read as A. And how about the third one, Sydney? You're not focusing. You keep on moving.
What's the
How
third
about
one?
number 3? Anong letter yung i-read? Is it M? Is it A? Is it N? Is it E?
E.
No.
N.
N. Again, let's try again. Marunong ka na ha? 1,
1.
2, and 3. How do you read that one, Sid?
Number 1.
Man.
No, yung 1 muna. Ano yung 1?
M.
Sound.
N.
Sound muna.
N.
Sound to.
How about the sound of A and E? This is the second one to read.
Ano sound?
A.
Yun.
A. Oh, and A becomes
A. Ano?
Nay.
A.
and
Nay. Nay.
M.
A.
Nay.
And A becomes
A.
May.
May. Very good. Oh, how about the last one? The last letter.
N.
Anong sound ng N?
N.
Oh, read.
A.
Nay.
No. Listen. Oh, tingnan mo si teacher.
May. May.
Sabihin mo.
No.
A.
May.
May, ano?
Loud.
Main.
Yun. Louder na.
Very
Main.
good. Main. Oh, let's try. Ikaw ulit.
A.
Yes, you are right. How about the C, A, N, E? Do remember again ito ha?
Yes.
A and E. Two letters but one sound only. Okay?
One sound lang muna.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. What's the sound of A and E?
A.
Hindi na yan short A. Like that's A sound. Okay?
Long A ha.
That's the long A. Oh. Read. How do you read this word?
Oh, how do you read daw?
Horse.
No.
What's the first one to read? What letter?
What letter you will read first?
Maybe N.
I don't like the maybe.
What letter do you read first?
E.
Look at the letters. Di ba sa letters?
E.
Yun.
E. Oh, this one.
Con.
Ano yung
What's the next one? Not yet. I did not say that you will read the word. The first,
One.
second, third muna para hindi ka mahilo. Oh, how about the second one? What letter?
Anong letter
Will
daw?
we read?
Letter N.
Tsaka?
N.
N? No.
E. A.
A and E. Ganyan.
A and E.
Oh, number 2 yan, ha? Number 2. How about the number 3?
Number 3.
What letter?
Letter.
Letter?
N.
Very good.
How do you read this k? N.
Pen.
K, A,
Pen.
K, A,
K.
ha?
Oh, you forgot the N.
Oh, lagyan mo ng N. K, A,
Ken.
Ha?
K.
K,
K. K.
No, like this. Oh, listen na kay teacher. Listen. 1. What letter is the number 1 to read?
C.
C. Very good. Oh, read. K.
Con. Con.
Yes, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. First letter pala. Oh, don't
First
be
letter
sad.
na.
Don't be sad. Please. Oh, the next letter
What's
is
the next
1,
letter?
right? The A and E. What's the sound of A and E?
What's the sound of A and E?
1.
Please, yung sound ng A and E.
A.
Very good.
Read the first letter.
What's the first letter? Anong sound?
C.
Anong sound? Anong sound ng C?
K.
How about the second one?
Anong sound ng A and E?
A.
A. Oh, K and A becomes
Ka.
K, tsaka A.
K.
Combine
A becomes
K.
K.
K. Very good. Oh, read the N. The third
Anong sound ng
one.
N?
N.
Very good. K. N becomes
Pen.
K, A,
K.
N,
Ken.
K.
Cane.
You forgot to read the A, not the A, not the A sound. Oh, again, how about this?
Cane.
First letter, tandaan ang first letter, Sydney. First letter. The second one, ayan yan. O, the second one. Ito
Second.
yan, o, tandaan mo yan. Okay, long A sound. Okay po?
Okay.
And read mo na to. How do you read this one? The 1 and 2.
How you read down? How do you read yung... Anong sound ng C?
Ku.
Sound of letter C.
Ku. A. Ha.
No. Anong sound ng A and E? A tsaka E. Anong sound?
A.
Very good.
A.
Oh.
Oh, read
Ikaw may
ko.
ginawa.
A becomes
K.
Very good.
put K.
O, lagyan natin ng K.
Ka. K.
That's not K.
Mhm.
That's not ka. That's A. Remember this one. A. It's not ka. It's not a. Again.
Oh.
Do it again, please.
A.
K.
Oh. Ano yun? Tapos may K ulit. K, A.
K.
Ano yan? Can you say it? K, A, K.
Ha.
No. K, A,
K.
ano?
K.
Yun. Very good.
Okay. Oh, now try again. Okay.
Let's try again naman.
Oh, you're gonna write the number. After writing the number, you're gonna read the letter or the sound. Read the sound. Okay? Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Did write number 1 and read the sound of the letter.
Ano yung number 1? What letter?
Number 1, what letter? Sid?
C.
E. Anong sound?
Sound po.
Oh. Anong sounds? Ah. CD, what's the sound?
Ku.
K. Very good.
What's the second sound?
Anong second sound na sasabihin mo? Anong letter yon?
C.
Di ba C yung
I
first?
can
Ano yung
tell
second?
you.
Ano yung second?
A.
A tsaka?
A.
A tsaka ano? A and?
P.
No. A and?
E.
E. Very good.
Oh, ganyan yan ha. Ganyan yan. Para hindi mailo. Next, what letter? The last letter?
Yung last letter sasabihin mo.
P.
Ha?
P.
Very good.
Very
P.
good, Sid.
Oh.
Do remember yan ha. Ikaw nag-write niyan. Dapat i-remember mo. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Three.
Oh.
3.
Can try na to read it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ano mo?
Oh, what's the sound of C?
Ko.
Very
The
good.
sound
Anong
of
sound?
this one. Sa number 2.
Yung dalawa, anong sound yan?
P. A.
No, yung A tsaka ito. E.
Oh,
A.
okay. Next. Oh, ito muna. K and A becomes
K.
Very good.
P. The P. Sound of
Ano,
P.
ano sound ng P?
Ko.
Oh,
Three.
dugtong mo na.
K.
Ano?
Cup.
No. Tama na sinabi mo. A.
K.
Good.
Kaya? Kaya na?
That's okay. It's okay. That's okay, Sid. Oh, now, let's move on here. Oh, ganyan lang. Tingnan mo to. This one is different. Can you read that? Oh, that's
Top.
What's that?
Up.
Ano yun?
Top.
up. Oh, this one, iba na yan.
How
May
about,
E.
how about this one? Ano naman yan?
Tape.
Very good.
Oh, how about this?
Ano yun? Ano yung dito sa baba?
Man.
Man, very good.
Tignan
How about
mo.
naman pag ganyan?
Man.
Very
May.
good. Galing na. How about
One,
naman?
how about
Ano?
this one?
Ano yan?
Con.
Kan. How about this one?
Con.
May
Ken.
A tsaka E.
Can.
Ano
Again?
sound ng A and E?
Con.
A.
A.
The sound of A.
A.
Lagyan mo ng
How do you read this?
How do you read?
K.
Ka-
A.
A.
K. Can.
Yun. Cane.
Again, ito. How about this?
How was that?
Top.
Ah,
Do you remember this?
Kapag may
Go.
nakita kang A tsaka E na ano yun? Paano mo sasabihin?
Con.
No.
Nope.
Merong
The
A
A
tsaka E.
sound.
What's the sound? Anong sound ng A
Top.
tsaka No. A tsaka E. Anong sound nun? Anong sound ng A tsaka E?
A.
A. So dugtungin mo ngayon.
Read this one.
K.
Yun. Sound, Miss
Correct.
say that.
Very good. I can hear it. Next.
Carrot.
Yes, correct. Now, I'm gonna circle the picture and you're gonna read it. Po.
Circle daw ni teacher. Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this one.
What's that?
Cup.
Very good.
Next? How about this?
What's that?
Man.
Man yan?
No, sabi niya main.
Oh, sorry. Do it again. Please say it again, Sid.
Man.
No. Tama na nga yung sabi mo. Sabihin mo lang ng loud. What's that? Ito to.
Man.
Main.
A.
Oh,
Man.
ito. How about this?
Man.
What's that? Ayun.
Tape.
Very good.
Okay. Oh, can you read this? E.
The.
The.
Man. Ayun.
Hot.
Has.
Has.
Tape.
Tape. And.
And. A. Con.
May A tsaka E, oh. Anong sound ng A and E? A and E. Ano sabihin pag A, E?
A.
Yay. Sabi ngayon, basahin mo nga ito.
An.
K.
K.
Hmm.
Can.
No. K. K. A.
Cane.
Cane. Yun.
K.
Cane.
Cane.
Cane. Okay. Good one, Sid. But we have to practice. Oh, how about this? Oh, kanina.
Try mo nga yan, darling. Oh, what's that?
Gone.
Meron
Yeah.
Gum.
G. Ulit.
The
G.
A and E. G and E. Remember this. A and E.
Saka E.
A.
Ayun. G. A.
Gay.
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 Hmm.
Game.
Ayun.
Game. Oh, how about this?
Oh, how about to?
Con.
No, you may. K.
K.
Tapos A-E. Anong sound yan?
K. A.
Tapos A.
K.
Ano? Ano?
I'm sorry.
A.
Cake.
I'm
Cake.
sorry. I can't. Yes. Okay. Cake. Now let's try again. Sid, ready?
Say again, come on.
Oh, this one. Read.
Sabay, read. Come on, darling. You can do it. Come on.
Letter L.
Oh.
What's the
L.
sound?
Sound ng L.
Lo.
The sound of A and E.
Ano? A and E daw.
A.
A. Oh.
A. Very good. The sound of K.
Ano sound ng K?
Cook.
K.
Read them together.
Cake.
May L lang. L. L.
L po L.
Lake.
Next. Sound of N.
Ano sound ng L?
Sound of A and E.
A and E, darling. Anong sound ng A-E?
A.
A. Oh.
Again. And A becomes.
A.
Tsaka A.
Okay.
Ano?
Nay.
Very good.
Oh, ito. Point.
Oh.
Lamb.
Pwede
A.
na yan. Again.
Name.
Name. At
Name.
least, nabasa mo na yung A and E. Huwag
Next one.
kalimutan yan, okay?
A. Very good.
A. Laging tandaan the first letter ito. The first sound ito. The second one, ito lagi. A and E. Which is the sound of?
Anong sound ng A tsaka E?
A.
No, sound ng A tsaka E.
A.
A. Very good.
And the last one should be the middle. Yung nasa gitna ng E. Ito na yung nasa gitna ng E.
Oh. Ano yung sa gitna daw ng ano? Ano yung pangatlo?
Game.
Oo nga. Ano nga yung pangatlong
What
letter?
letter?
Come.
Letter muna.
Letter po, letter.
M.
Very good.
Ganyan yan ha. Ganyan yung pasunod-sunod. G, A,
A. Tapos,
Game.
game. How about this? Oh,
A. Oh.
try.
Ano yan?
Nay.
Ano?
Nay.
Ito, yung letter na ito.
A.
Lamb. Name.
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 Yun.
Sunod, ito. K, A. How do you read the K and A?
Ano?
K.
K, put the K sound.
Cake.
Tandaan yan ha. Oh, very
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. On Monday, we're gonna do it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's try this. This
try
is the word lake. Lake.
Cake.
Lake.
Lake.
Very good.
Lake.
Sit down kasi.
How about this one, number 2? How do you read? How do you spell that one? Name. Oh, spell.
Okay. Spell N. Oh. Name.
N.
Oh. Name.
N.
N. Tapos?
And
Aim. A.
A.
Oh,
Aim.
aim.
Name.
Oo, ano spelling ng name?
What's the next letter?
Then, tapos, N, A,
And
M.
A. M. E. N.
you forgot the magic letter.
Oh,
M.
And
A.
no.
N.
Let's start with N. N
N.
Ano sunod ng N?
A.
A. M. E.
Oh, ganyan yan, ha? Pag nawawala lagi ang A and E, I mean, hindi pwede mawala ang A and E. Pag nawala ang A, oh, paano na yan babasahin? Pag nawala yung E, paano yan babasahin? Kaya dapat, tandaan mo, lagi silang ganyan. Oh, lagi silang sisters. Okay?
Okay.
That's
Okay,
the thing,
dokie.
darling.
Okay.
But, you have to review. Okay po?
Bye.
Not yet. Oh, on Monday, yun pa din yung lesson natin. Medyo mahaba-haba yon. The long A sound. Ang short A is ah. The long A is A. Okay? Okay po? Nasad siya. That's okay. Oh, buti nga kaya mo na at the age of 4.
Oh,
See?
oh, di ba?
Oh,
Oh.
don't lose hope. At the age of 4, you can read long A.
Oh, long
Okay.
A. Ano? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now, Sydney, thank you so much for tonight. Don't be sad. For tonight, for this afternoon. I hope you learned a lot from teacher. And of course, Mommy, thank you for guiding. Bye-bye, Sid. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.